Zee-Sony merger has got clearance from National Company Law Tribunal. What it means is that the acquisition, which was pending for long, may go ahead, as it has already got the approval from the required regulator. It has got approval from SEBI. It has already got approval from NSE and BSE, and now NCLT giving approval will pave the path for Culvermax Entertainment merging with the Zee Entertainment. Now remember, there were questions which were raised by the creditors against the merger, and those arguments happened in the court, whereby the creditors such as Axis Finance, IDBI Bank, IDBI Trusteeship, all the creditors raised questions against the deal, saying that they are not getting the money which was supposed to be paid to them, and the parent company should have made those payments. But in countering those arguments, the counsel who appeared for Zee Entertainment clearly explained that these parties cannot be contended as creditors, as they do not are beneficiaries who would have lent to the company, that is Zee Entertainment. However, all the dealings happened with the parent company, and therefore they are not liable to be treated as creditors. The counsel to Zee Entertainment has also explained in the court that how the deal should go through, because it is in favor of shareholders, it is in favor of creditors, and therefore the objections which has been raised against the deal does not matter, as this deal should go through with or without proposed CEO. Remember, Puneet Goenka was supposed to be CEO of the merged entity, but till now, as per the SEBI order, he has taken back step, and a committee which is running Zee Entertainment now that has happened because SEBI had given an interim order barring the promoters, that is Puneet Goenka as well as Subhash Chandra, from holding any key position in any of the listed companies, and therefore a monitored committee is running day-to-day operations of Zee Entertainment, and it will be keenly awaited what order actually SEBI passes against the promoters of Zee Entertainment. But for now, there is a relief for Zee Entertainment, as NCLT has approved the merger of Sony with itself, and now it will be seen whether or not these dissenting creditors move to next level court, that is NCLAT or any other higher court, because it will need to be seen whether or not Sony will wait for that long, if at all there are questions once again raised against the deal.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.